There are many ways to increase website traffic, but this article is going to show you some of the best ways to increase website traffic. By increasing your website traffic, you can increase the revenue from your website as well. We can talk about income sources in another video. Let's talk about 7 proven ways to increase website traffic. 1. Optimize your titles. Optimizing your titles will help you get more visitors because it will show up higher in search engine results pages. The most effective way is to use SEO. Search engine optimization is a method of increasing organic traffic from search engines by optimizing a website's content and technical aspects for search engine algorithms. The key to success is using keywords that are relevant to your product or service. 2. Create a blog. Creating a blog is one of the best ways to increase website traffic because it allows you to post fresh content on a regular basis. It's important to remember that your customers are looking for solutions, not products. The more specific you can be about what you offer, the better your chances of being found on the internet. It's also important to make sure that the content on your site is easy to read and understand because this will lead people down a path where they will buy something from you. 3. Use social media and forums. Social media has become an important tool for marketers these days, so use it to your advantage by posting content that is relevant and engaging. You can drive higher traffic from social media like Facebook, Instagram, Quora, Reddit, Twitter and other blogging sites like Medium, Tumblr. Post on social media about the event, share images and videos of the offerings, then ask for people to attend. 4. Create high-quality content. Quality content is what will keep people coming back for more, so make sure that you are posting high-quality material on your site regularly. 5. Make sure that your site loads quickly. Your website should be quick to load so that people don't have to wait too long for your content. Site speed is a ranking factor for most of the big search engines like Google and Bing, especially mobile site speed. So arrange your site content lightweight and use CDN to deliver your content. 6. Use video. Video will allow you to get your message across more effectively because it is more engaging than text. Nowadays, video content is the most engaging content. People spend more time on video and video platforms. You can use this platform to drive traffic directly to your website. Use YouTube and TikTok. It increases your website traffic faster than any other sources. 7. Offer incentives for visitors such as a free report or ebook. People love getting something in return for their time, and an incentive will get them to sign up for your newsletter or download your ebook. The conclusion of this section is that there are many ways to drive traffic to a website. The first way is by using SEO. The second way is by using digital advertising. The third way is by using social media marketing. Hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe for more amazing contents.